Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture we want to design the concrete foundation of our project. We'll go to the robot. So for example, if this node, the number of this node is 15. If we need to design the foundation of this node, first of all we want to know how much we have load here. So we go to result, reaction, okay, press filter. We want for the node, we want the node 15, okay, and for the cases we need all the cases. So these are the load that we have, okay, we have, and this node, this load, okay. For example, we need the most important load is the self weight and dead load, okay. So for example, we have approximate 94 plus 160, okay. We can go get the load from here. So here now we can go to view, here save, we save our project and we go to file, new project. Now we press here RC element design, okay. We need to design a new foundation. So now we have a new windows. We can go to here, new foundation, okay. We can put our dimension. For example, if we need A equal 5 meter and we didn't now want to increase A, for example, let's tools, job preference, material, unit here, okay. So here we can show the dimension of our foundation. Let's put, for example, 4 by 5, and the h1 0.7, 0.7, okay. We can show here what, okay. Let's put here optimizing. Let's, for example, we need a square foundation. So now we go to RC element loads for the gravity load, self weight for dead load. Let's put, for example, 250, press add. For the live load we put, for the snow load we put that we have, and we put, for example, it, okay. We press now close. Now we can go to start calculation, calculate. We can show the result, okay. Here the reinforcement is a small foundation because we have a small, we can put here fixed 0.7, let's apply, and we go to the result here, foundation reinforcement. We can show the reinforcement of our foundation, okay. We didn't have a huge load, so the reinforcement and the section of the foundation is approximately small. So thank you for listening. We will continue. This is the final lecture. If we have a question, we can ask me on Udemy. Thank you for listening.